Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to add address Amazon shopping on computer. So how to add address Amazon shopping on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the Amazon application on your computer or laptop browser. And this is the initial display on Amazon Shopping. Next, just point the cursor to the upper left corner of the screen. Here there are several menus. And tap the Account and List menu here. Here a scrolling menu will appear. Tap on the Account menu. Now there will be many menu options. Tap your addresses here. Now here it will appear like this. Tap Add Address. Now the address input menu will appear. Enter your name, telephone number, and also your full address. Can be seen as an example like this. After finishing, tap Add Addresses. Now you can see here I have successfully added an address. So that's it, tutorial how to add Amazon shopping address on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.